In today's video, we are going to be looking at the top 5 hormones that are making you fat or keeping you fat. What's up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. If not, I hope you make it an amazing day. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As I was doing the prep for today's video, it occurred to me that maybe I should share this video in pidgin English instead. If this is your first time here and you do not understand pidgin English, please just click on this link and you'd find several videos that I have talked about the same thing before. I just wanted to express myself today in pidgin to address a particular population. My name is YAJE'S again, if you didn't new for this channel, and I like for teach wellness for women them. I like for create awareness. Tell them small things the way they fit do for keep body in shape, for stay healthy. So if they new here, I beg you, click on that subscribe button. I beg, when you click on subscribe, some bell will show up. You ring that bell too. That one. Okay, before I want to share the two, I want to share una know I don't be doctor. I don't be medical doctor. I don't be your doctor. We mean say the thing what they share for you na educational purposes, no take like medical advice. So I want to share una hormone them way it make them you the fat, you the gain weight, or where they make them when you want try for lose weight, you the do all kind of thing them but nothing they work. The reason why people they gain weight or where they fat na because say three things they fit cause them. Number one, na say you do over chop plenty chop where your body no need. Number two, na say you do chop the wrong kinds of chop them. So the quality of your chop they know they fine. And then number three, na say you know they active enough, you they exercise, you just sit down for one place. Okay. So when all that one that it happen, either one of them or all three of them, you end up just begin the gain weight. Or you try for lose weight. If you still chop plenty or you chop the wrong things, then the weight loss no they happen. Then you're the one that say now waiting. When you try for lose weight, even when you reduce the thing where you chop if the thing they don't be the right things, then your hormone they know they work well. Your hormone them they like errand boys. They like messengers we person they call it. They like messenger. Where just mean saying that small that chemical the way your body they produce where they send message for tell your body waiting for do with the chop where you don't chop up. You see. So if the chop where you don't chop up, not be fine chop or you know they fine, it go to send the wrong message. You see, it go to send the wrong message. So I want to talk about that different messenger the way they inside your body. What it used to happen for them, where if they go out of balance, they start for misfire, or they send the wrong messages them, and then it will end up for keep you fat. The first hormone they call and say estrogen. Estrogen hormone way it make her will be women them, you know, will get small bobby, get small hips, will look like woman, you know what I mean. So now estrogen that man picking them too they get, but they don't get them plenty like woman. Estrogen a fine thing. But the thing I say when estrogen start be excessive compared to some other hormone they call them progesterone, the thing where they happen I say problem they start happen for body. Problem they start happen for body. You the fat no you know why where you the fat. And the thing where they cause estrogen for go out of balance for start misfire. Now waiting. Beer, alcohol, when you start take plenty alcohol, you just start the fat. You see people they drink alcohol, you see how they come out like that. That too much beer no fine. The other thing where they make them estrogen start misfire or go out of balance now when you chop plenty meat, and then any kind meat where you know even come off of cow where they raise them well. They didn't meat them for America here. They should don't chop barbecue. That kind of meat they go cause problem for body. They make up your estrogen they be too much compared to progesterone and the other hormone that, and when you get that kind of imbalance, then it start cause trouble for body. The thing what if you do for fix and I say you stop for drink alcohol, you stop for drink that beer, you stop for drink pesa, you stop for drink other wine them. Just stop them for like 21 days, see what go happen for your body. Okay. And then if you want chop meat will come off for fine cow, like pasture raised, that's what they call it for here. But if you don't even get money for buy other pasture raised with it, then just chop fish, plenty fish, seafood, chop some chicken, that kind of thing. Them. And then the other thing too we want to do for fix the estrogen if it misfire for you. Now for chop a lot of vegetables, and because vegetable gets something where they call it say fiber. Fiber are the thing where your body know the absorb fiber. It just pass come off for number 2. So as it pass the come off for number 2, it help for clear excess estrogen from your body. The second hormone I want to talk about, they call and say insulin. Insulin will surely know for people that get diabetes. Now that sugar, sugar, people they get diabetes, they get sugar disease. It means that insulin they work fine. But for someone we will not even get diabetes, your insulin still know they work fine. And when that insulin know they work fine, you start to gain weight. Sometimes you gain weight, especially for your belly, plenty weight like that. Now where insulin they work fine. And the thing where they cause insulin for no work fine now with it, sugar. The sugar they put out for tea, they already chop out for cake, they already chop out for puff, all the things in that sugar. Even the one we come out for honey and all the sweet drinks them, all that sugar. So we take that plenty sugar, so it overwhelm your body. Sometimes the insulin know the stuff will work fine. And when you know start work fine, problem the day you end up the gain weight or lose weight at the rate where you want them. So the thing you want to do for fix insulin, now for really manage your sugar well. We mean say you stop for chop order donut them, order bread them, order cake them. You stop for drink sweet mimbo. You stop for all these sugar to them. You get for stop up. Try out for 21 days, see what will happen. The third hormone what I want to talk about, and they call it leptin. The messenger leptin, you won't work for body now say, now it help you for no say you don't chop a flop. It help you for no say okay you don't flop now stop. When your leptin they work fine, you only work for the chop. You the chop so you need to stop. You chop so you need to stop. And then small time you chop one for chop again, where you just come off for chop. It means your leptin they work fine, because when leptin they work fine, you feel chop so just stop. Okay. And the thing where they make a leptin they work fine again. Now some kind of sugar they call them fructose, and these fructose they inside sweet mimbo, especially all the top Fanta, all the thing them. So when they get the fructose for inside, and some people the way they get problem with fructose too, they get the fat weight there for down here, so the fat there for down here. So now one sign to say yeah leptin they work fine. What we want to do now for stop for drink other soda them. Stop for drink other soda them. If you do over chop fruit, where I think say many we don't get that problem. But if you do one way you ever she don't one bucket mango, no over chop that kind of plenty fruit, because especially if you get problem with the hormone they call and leptin. So what you want to do now for stop that sweet drinks, especially that sweet drinks and all kind of juices them. Stop up for 21 days and see what it will happen. The other hormone I want to talk about, and they call it cortisol. The messenger it work for body now for help with stress management. So they help with now the stress hormone. The thing I say cortisol fine, but when cortisol no the imbalance, it start cause you for gain weight, especially around your belly. So the thing where if you make your cortisol go out of balance, then when you stress a lot over thing you don't even need for stress about them. But as far as the thing where you put up in your mouth, caffeine, where it come off for coffee, it come off for black tea, it come off for cola, it come off all the things, if you also raise your cortisol level, if you also cause your cortisol level to go up, and when it go up like that, wahala go dey again, belly fat. So the thing what you want to do for make sure say your cortisol work well in terms of chop, now for stop coffee for a while. If you be a person where you always drink coffee all the time like me, you want stop coffee at least for 3 days, but up to 21 days if you fit. See how that one will affect your body. Again, for the video, I only talk about what if you do for chop. The other things the way if you do, but I just want to focus now on chop, because at the CR they say people they all kind of pills and make them chop, and you don't need for go buy pills. You fit control all the things the only way you chop. So now cortisol that I don't talk about for the last hormone they call an thyroid hormone. The one na hormone where they control many other hormones. That's some master hormone. But when your thyroid hormone they work fine, it means say that other hormone they control, like estrogen, insulin, they control other one them as well. It will, if you see how it cause problem, I don't really tell on how insulin and estrogen they work. So when your thyroid hormone they work fine, they affect all the other hormone too, where they cause you for gain weight. The thing where if it cause you, one of the things that if it cause your thyroid for no work fine now, grains. Grains now thing they like corn or things made out of corn, wheat, where it means say all the flour, all that thing. So if you want make your thyroid hormone work fine, just stop for take grains for 3 days at least, or up to 21 days. See how your body react. If you start to lose weight, it means say your problem they really been at that grains. You see no. So now the thing that we want to. So that the 5 hormones in that way I want to share for recap, as just summary, we talk about estrogen, we talk about insulin, we talk about leptin, we talk about cortisol, and then we talk about thyroid hormone, the 5 hormones in that. And then I don't share now with you do. As you want to try for fix all the hormones, then make sure so you drink plenty water, you drink your 8 cups of water, you chop that vegetable as I talk so. Then you do all that other things that I talk. If you try and so you see how your body will start to feel better, and then if you be so you be fat plenty, you start to lose some weight, you start to drop some weight small. You don't need for buy pills, you don't need for buy some kind of thing. All you need now for do now for fix them with the thing that you chop. It be simple, easy, but it's simple, it don't be complicated at all. Alright. So the thing I want to share again, if you like the pidgin version of the video them and I want to do more, just let me know in the comment section. If you never subscribe yet, again I beg you now subscribe, then when I share the video too. Check out my other video them for the channel. I have a lot of them. Thank you now plenty, stay fine and continue to take care of your body. That one body, take care of them. Alright, bye.